Now I'm going to compare the standard Fiido D4S light. As you can see, that is the main front light on the bike, the original light, and as you can see, it does shine the road reasonably well. But if you compare it to this light here, I will show you right now. So that is low beam 1. I will turn my bike light off. So that's low beam 1, beam 2, beam 3. Now I'm going to do the extra bright. As you can see, look how much that actually lights up the ground. I am super impressed with this light, and obviously it's on an adjustable bracket, so I can point it further down if I want, or even further up. But that is literally nearly as bright as a car headlight. That is extremely bright indeed. Very, very impressed. Not only impressed with the build quality, but how well it actually performs. So yeah, this is the rear light. As you can see, pretty bright. And if I change the settings, very useful. Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on this awesome bike light set. Now this is the Vastfire bike set, and I will do a quick unboxing, then I will show you the actual lights in action. There is a front light and a rear light. I will show you them running in the dark and compare them to the standard lights on my Fiido D4S, and there is no comparison. This light is absolutely amazing. But before I get right into that part, let's do a quick unboxing, and then I'll give you a proper review on this awesome light. Okay guys, so as you've seen from the little unboxing, it comes quite nicely packaged, but what you're more interested in is the actual lights itself. I'll quickly show you the rear light first. Obviously you're going to see what this performs like in the dark anyway, but it's bright light. We're in the summer and it's bright light, but I'm going to show you that these lights are actually really bright even in daylight. I've managed to mount mine to my bike rack as well. You can put it on your seat post, but as you can see, I've got a smart light on my seat post, so I thought I'd pull it down here, so I've got two lights. This is just a very basic light, but it does the job well. It's made of a plastic construction, has a built-in LiPo battery and a mini USB charging socket. But to turn the light on, you literally just press the button. You've got a few different flashing modes, so I'll quickly run through those now for you. As you can see, even in this bright sunshine, you can see this light really well. Very, very impressed. Loads of different features, and to turn it off, you just press and hold it and it turns off just like so. Very basic standard rear light, but it works well, and it's a good addition to have on any bike. But the more impressive thing is the actual front light itself. So let me give you a quick closer look at this front light. We'll go over the features, specifications, and I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on it. Okay, so this is the main front light, the Vastfire WG705 main front light. Now this thing is built to a really high standard. It's made from aviation quality aluminium. It is super sturdy, has a nice bit of weight to it. Not only can it perform brilliantly as a bike light, which you will also see in this video, but you can use it as a power bank as well and charge your mobile phone. So sometimes I mount my mobile phone on the handlebars on my bike, and use it as a GPS sat nav. So that does drain quite a lot of battery, so it's good that I can plug my phone directly into this and use it as a power bank, which will keep my phone charged up. So what I'm going to quickly do, I'll quickly run over some specifications for you, and then I will show you this light in action. So it's waterproof rating at IPS6, which is rain, water and splash proof resistance. It's got a built-in power bank which runs on a 5200 lithium ion battery. You've got built-in overcharge and over discharge protection, and you've got a light indicator on top which tells you how much life is left in this light and the power bank. So 1 would be you on low voltage and 9 would be your maximum voltage, and it clearly shows it there, and it also has a charging indicator as well. Now as you can see, it is reasonably big. The light itself is reasonably big, as you can see from my hand, and it weighs 250 grams, which is quite weighty, but not something you're really going to notice on your bike, to be honest. And it comes with this quick release handlebar bracket there. Now obviously I've got to do this one-handed because I'm on my mobile phone, but you just pull this lever down like that, and then that allows you to slide the actual light forward. So let me see if I can show you this one-handed without knocking my bike over. As you can see, it's nice and tight on there, but it comes off just like so. You've got a lovely rail here that clips into the bracket, locks into place and is very secure. But as you can see, it also has a USB port here. Now this is so you can use this light as a power bank. So you just plug in a USB cable and then directly to your mobile phone and it will charge it. And I've been using this as a charger on the go for my phone, and it works really well. I think it has a ampage rating of 2.1, but I will put on the screen exactly the ampage output that this thing provides. But like I say guys, I am super impressed with the build quality on this. It's super sturdy. As soon as you get it out of the box and hold it in your hand, you can just tell the quality straight away. And as you can see there, it's got 5 super bright LED lights, and I'll quickly run over those specifications. So like I say guys, not only is the build quality really good on this light, so is the LED lights that this thing kicks out. Now compared to the standard light that's built into my Fiido D4S, it's okay, it does the job, but there is literally no comparison between the two. This thing lights up the road nearly as much as a car headlight. I was super impressed when I took it out and went for a ride in the dark, and I was just super impressed of how well the light was actually lighting up the road and the distance in front of me. So I'll quickly go over some specifications for you. Like I say, it's an aluminium build with a 6061 grade aluminium. The iridescent distance is 300 to 500 meters, which is awesome. That is much far enough for any bike light. The LED color temperature is 6000 K, so it's a nice clear white light. And as you can see there, it's got 5 super powerful LED lights. Now when you're using just 3 of the LED lights, you're going to get a high beam of 30 degrees, and when you're using the 2 low beam LED lights, you're going to get a beam degree of 80 degrees. So yeah, it's going to light up a lot of the actual distance in the road, not just 2 foot in front of you like the standard light actually does. This thing is literally, you're going to be shocked with the footage that I actually show you in a minute. So when it comes to battery life guys, this thing does last extremely a long time, considering how long the how bright the LEDs are. So if you're using it on low power mode, it's going to last up to 13 hours. On medium power mode 8 hours on high beam, which is what I always use this on. It's going to last up to 5 hours. Now I was using this on high beam and charging my mobile phone, and I easily got 5 hours of use out of it. And I've only had to charge this thing up once since owning it, and I've owned it about a month now. Now it's got a few different light feature modes, as I was explaining there. So as you can see guys, it is bright pure daylight out here, but you're still going to see these lights. So if you press the button once, it will turn it onto low beam, second beam, third brightness, and then if you double tap, it will go into super high beam. And as you can see, that light guys, this is pure daylight, and this thing is just scorching, beaming white light. It even shows up on my hand there. Super impressed with this light. And to turn it off, you literally push and hold it and it will turn itself off. Like I say guys, I don't want to go on too much about the light, because at the end of the day, the proof is always in the pudding. It performs great. Now I got this on Amazon and it was £23, and in my opinion 100% bargain. Now obviously anyone who owns the Fiido D4S will know the front light is not great. So if you want this kind of light for this bike, you're going to be blown away. But obviously it's a universal bike light, so it will fit any mountain bike, BMX bike, any kind of push bike you want. This thing is going to fit because of this awesome bracket. You literally just undo that there and it will clip round your handlebars, and it comes with some rubber spacers as well, so it will fit basically any size handlebar, which is really good. It also has a swivel connection there, so you can slightly angle it if you need to, and obviously you can rotate it up and down by just undoing that. I tend to have it pointing downwards a little bit so it beams up the road. But like I say guys, I'm going to put a little video clip in so you can see this light in action. I think I've gone on long enough about it, so enjoy the video. And I will leave a link in the description below to where you can pick up this bike light. And like I say guys, I highly recommend it. So safe riding everyone, take care, bye bye.